Hi, 1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Ring doorbell. So if you just moved into a new home with one of these, or maybe somebody gifted one of these to you, or you're having trouble getting it set up, what you can do is factory reset the doorbell to default settings just like it comes out of the box so that you're going to be able to set it back up on your phone. So this will work for most Ring video doorbells, but the specific Ring doorbell that we have here is the Ring wired doorbell that came out in 2021. In order to factory reset the Ring doorbell and remove the cover plate, you're going to need a T15 Torx bit. So this comes with the Ring doorbell, but if you inherited this doorbell, you probably don't have this tool. Fortunately, you can pick these up on Amazon or your local big box store. Just go ahead and tell them you need a T15 driver bit. So that's what this is. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take that driver bit, and we need to unsecure the cover. There's a little screw down here at the bottom. So you just loosen that up, and that's going to allow you to remove this cover plate. So let's go ahead and do that. So here we go. We've got the screw removed from the outer cover plate for the Ring doorbell. So now all we need to do is pull off this outer shield here. And then what you're going to see is typically there's a button somewhere along the side over here. So for us to factory reset this Ring doorbell, what we need to do is go ahead and hold down on the button on the side of the Ring doorbell for 15 seconds until it starts flashing. So in order to reset this, you will need to have this powered up. You hold the button down for 15 seconds, it's going to start flashing, and then it will go into factory default settings, just like you got it out of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and press down now for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So after 15 seconds, as long as this light is illuminated, I can then release the button on the side of the Ring device, and it's going to start flashing. It will flash for about 30 seconds and then speak to you when it's ready to go into setup mode.
Hold in setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Ring app.
And once it says it's in setup mode, that means that this device has been factory reset to default settings, and it's ready to be connected to your Ring app and your Wi-Fi network so that you can control it from your phone. So we got another video that shows you how to set up a Ring doorbell or how to connect it to the Ring app. So go ahead and check that out in the description below. So thank you for watching this video on how to reset your Ring doorbell. Please give us that thumbs up, subscribe, or if you want to support us, click any of the links below. Thank you.